welcome, and we are going to do some small analysis of our setup to come in the matter of days or matter of weeks. So we are going to start by analyzing Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. Okay, so we are going to start very soon, and we are going to understand how each and every price action of currency pair works, because most of the times we kind of like lose focus or interest when we are trading the market just because there's some news popping up. Also, sometimes we make things look much difficult for our understanding. Okay, so let's have a look of how things will go and see how we can be able to understand. So from our point of view, this is the daily time frame which can predict up to the coming months or even weeks. Okay, now price is currently in our demand zone. Based on the analysis, price is in our demand zone, and we are expecting a breakout from this area all the way up to 116.500. So if I'll be trading next week or from today, the trading setup that I'll take, I'll be focusing on getting buy positions from here all the way up to 115,600. So it's a short one. Okay, it's a very short one, but it's worth the keeping. Okay, so our trade setup for the daily time frame is currently around, let's say, uh, this side, and our risk to reward ratio is a bit high because we have 2:9 or 2.9 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so that is for Canadian dollar, and let's analyze one of the most rated uh, currencies or indices or CFD because of the wow, this is actually very nice. You can actually see some nice price movement going on at this side, and also you can this area price has break out, and we are expecting a sell, a continuous sell to the downside, probably up to 45. Yeah, up to 45 and this area. Yeah, so I will take a short position from this side, short position from this side. Yeah, so uh, my entry will be around this side to the areas of 45 or 25, so 45,000 and 500. So okay, so my areas will be at this side. Okay, so let's say 45,500, and the risk reward ratio is very high. So let's say let's put our TP here. So US30 in the coming days or in the coming months will be selling to the side. Okay, and the risk reward ratio is 7.7, which is actually good, very good amount of profits. And that's it. Yeah, guys, see you later.